We're good, y'all. Getting everybody fed once again before I lock them up. I'm gonna put the tarps down tonight because it is gonna get cold tonight. It's just no more snow, man, so it's good. Excuse me. Get everybody fed right now. These birds' eggs froze, man. I haven't checked the rest of their eggs, but I think hopefully these are the only ones we lost, man. Which is unfortunate because this is my favorite pair. But yeah, man, this is what it is. Name of the day. We got everybody fed. My cockbirds. Everybody here chilling. Look at my squabs. This cockbird right here, this is a nice little cockbird right here. I like it. Yeah, man. Got everybody going, man. Got everybody fed. I'm gonna put these tarps down, man, and call it a day. Just feed them the rest of this right here, man. Yeah, we looking good, man. Looking good. Gonna feed my breeders and then the ones that's still locked up at least. We gone, man. Yeah, man.